Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel in the name of food. Here we are back at this new restaurant called The Lazy Dog, and we're sitting outside after the pandemic. Still, it's a little bit weird situations because they're all wearing masks and gloves, but well, here we are back. We did a little bit of fun things during this 8 weeks, which was cooking and making pizza at home.
Did you cook?
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
What did you cook?
I made chicken kebab, pizza,
Eggs.
eggs, a lot of stuff. Yeah, but
So what you order?
I'm ordering. Let me show you the menu. They have a big menu. You can focus on it.
So have you ever been here, or is this the first time?
This is my first time, which I was surprised that we had to get a reservation for, but I guess now they all wanting that reservation time. I'm ordering bison burger,
Okay.
even though, well, it says it's a natural ranch grass-raised Wyoming bison. So we'll see how that turns out to be. I'm not sure if it comes with side salad or French fries, but
We'll ask and see.
Yeah. Guys, welcome back. We are here at Lazy Dog. It's been a while, but we are back after I think 6 or 7 weeks.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna see how the food gonna go. I order a burger, so I'll order a burger too.
What kind of burgers?
All American and French fries.
Okay. You didn't want a Caesar salad?
No, I didn't get salad. And we're gonna
Cool.
water instead of Coke.
Nice and healthy.
Do you like the lime in the water? Yeah, it's cool.
It's cool, yeah. Okay, let's see how this place looks like.
Yeah, it's pretty. It's the only difference now you see is this social distancing and wearing gloves and masks.
Where's your gloves? And mask.
It's okay, I'm good. But yeah, try to wash your hands, stay safe, and hopefully it gets better.
Yeah, I think we had some deal going on for the hand sanitizers a while back that didn't go through because we couldn't find any.
Buy
So-
one, get one free.
So, what have you been doing during this 7 or 8 weeks?
Sleeping? No. I've been actually, well, we had school still.
Oh, you have school.
Yeah, unlike some others. But we had to finish that up and wrap it up, which ended it. Senor.
Sorry, business is going. Keep it going.
We had to finish up school, which took a lot of times with online classes.
Are you taking any classes for summer?
Yeah, I'm taking two summer classes. But to answer your question, I've been working out pretty consistently on every day, and some other things.
So what other things?
Yeah.
So, are you happy that finally we can record again, or
Yeah,
because because it was kind yeah, it was kind of boring just
it
being
was a
home.
time
Yeah.
that we couldn't get out. It's just, I think that was the most boring part, that we couldn't get out of the house, and we would still go to the park and nature, but we couldn't go out.
Nature.
All American burger.
Oh, would you like it cooked?
You want to say hi to our camera?
Hi. The medium rare.
Yes.
Everything on the burger okay? The
Everything is okay, yeah. And I'm gonna add French fries
French
too.
fries? Do you
Please.
want any ketchup or ranch or anything?
Ketchup would be nice.
Ketchup?
Yeah.
And beef?
Can I have the bison?
Bison burger?
Yes, ma'am.
How would you like it cooked?
Medium rare.
Medium rare?
And can we substitute the caramelized onion with mushrooms?
Yeah, of course. Do you want caramelized mushrooms or do you want regular mushrooms?
Just regular.
Regular?
Yes. And does that come with side?
Yeah, of course.
I didn't see the salad. Does that
we could do a Caesar salad or a baked green.
Caesar.
Caesar? Okay. And do you want any sauces or anything for your burger?
No.
No? Okay. I will go put that in for you.
Thank you.
Or you're busy on your phone.
See, didn't camera. Okay, what are we talking about?
So, what did you do during this pandemic?
Actually, it was kind of okay. I start playing guitar again, and
How long every day you
like
playing?
2 or 3 hours.
Okay.
Yeah, I learned some. Yes,
I have the bison. Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Okay, our food has arrived. My bison burger with a Caesar side salad and all American with French fries. Did you substitute anything for that?
No,
Cool.
all.
You wanna try it? Let's
Yeah,
go.
it's French fries is real good. It's not.
Let's see how good is it.
It's not greasy, and it's not too salty. So now let's go with the burger.
Yum yum. Aman is hungry. So, how's it?
I don't know if it's cooked medium rare. It looks more like a medium, but it still tastes good. It's juicy, as you can. Juicy, as you can see. Yeah.
So did
Yes. You don't have to be shy.
it's great. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, it's great. Thank you.
Yeah, it looks really good.
How's the burger?
Burger's good too.
Is it the best burger you have ever had?
Honestly, I would say it's one of the best ones. I mean,
Which are the best
I don't usually give which one is the best one, but this one is really good too. I mean,
From
If I have
1 to 10, rate it. Scale of
I'll
1
do
to
like
10.
9.5.
Why?
Meat is fresh. It's not too salty because I don't like it when they use too much salt in it because then you
Yeah.
have to drink more. And French fries, same as well. It's not,
Seafood
as you see, yeah, it's not too greasy. When you pick it up, it's not like leaky. So
Yeah, it's good.
the Caesar salad is good too. It's very crunchy, tasty croutons.
Croton.
Nicely cut lettuce. I don't usually like it when they give you just a long piece of lettuce. You gotta have to cut it yourself. So I like that.
You can talk louder. Okay, time to eat more.
I just spotted something that I thought I
Okay, how was your meal?
It's been a while. You too.
Miss your burger?
We're full. Yeah, actually, the meal size was pretty good because usually when I eat,
Was it king size?
double king size. Yeah, usually when I eat, I'm still hungry after eating, but This is actually, I think this is the first time I ate and I feel I'm pretty full. So
Are we having dessert?
we might have a dessert. Yeah.
Cool.
Action.
We're sitting outside, but if we were to sit inside, which is a little bit darker, you'd be able to see that they have a big bar with a lot of drinks. Whiskey, scotch, vodka, gin, cocktails, sangria, wine, sparkling, and soda for kids, milk, chocolate milk. So, what are you eating now?
Cake. You didn't get that cake.
It's not cake, it's brownie.
Oh, brownie.
Chocolate brownie sundae.
We're getting a. Give me a moment. Chocolate brownie. Yeah, it's somewhere else. Somewhere around here. But yeah. There you go. Chocolate brownie sundae.
What's in there?
Our house-made white chocolate chip brownie served with the side of chocolate syrup, vanilla bean ice cream. Only $7.95. Just call.
Oh yeah, now speaking of which, the prices for our burgers,
Oh yeah.
the bison one,
You're welcome.
which is $15.95, and all American, which is $12.25. Cool. So where is this place located?
It's in Preston Road. It's close to. I think if you look this way, you can see Legacy West. So it's close to Legacy West.
Yeah, right
If you're
there. That's Legacy West.
very nice music. It's the real music. But yeah, if you're trying to go shop at Legacy West, you can eat here and then go. And obviously, as you see, they have outdoor eating. So
Can you walk from here to Legacy West?
you can walk, but it's gonna take a while to get there. So
Yeah.
probably I would say maybe 20 minutes or 30 minutes of walk. You too.
This is how this place looks from.
Gentlemen, you guys have Lanny?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Absolutely. A couple spoons for you guys can eat it, okay?
Appreciate it.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, looking good. Okay, this is our brownie. How does it look?
Looks really good. Let's
Okay.
give it a- This is vanilla, right?
Yeah, it's vanilla.
Vanilla. Repeat after me. Vanilla. It tastes good. So have you been working out during these 6 weeks or just eating all the time?
Just
I'm
eating.
asking you. Answer the question.
This is good.
Okay, how was the brownie?
It was good. There's some pieces left if anyone wants some. But it was good. And it was just a little bit dry inside. But they warmed it up, so it's
It might
like
be a reason, yeah.
melted chocolate cake. So it's yeah. It was very thick too, which is compelling. Okay, everybody. Thank you for watching. Make sure you go and like, subscribe, and comment.
Peace out.
See you next time, everybody.
We're back. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And action. Liberty Mutual.
Okay, everybody. Thank you for watching. Make sure you go and like, subscribe, and comment.
Yes, do that.
Okay, everybody, thank you for watching this episode. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and tell us where you guys want us to go next.
No, don't tell us. We know where to go.